The colossal scale of the aerospace project demands extreme precision. Specialized crimson-red hydraulic fluid.
Final calibration checks are good.
Confirmed. Proceed with the high-speed removal process.
Temperature holding steady at 1500 Kelvin.
Maintain sweep vector. The crystalline structure looks good.
The spectral analysis confirms the additive package.
And the moisture levels are within tolerance. We are clear for the sweep mechanism test.
R1 thermal stabilization sequence confirmed. Hydraulic pressure holding steady.
All parameters nominal. Proceeding with the cycle.
Process B preparation is critical. The polished metal must be flawless to prevent contamination of the crimson-red hydraulic fluid.
I'm seeing a minor imperfection here under the magnification.
Log that immediately. It fails the pressure retention standard.
Pay close attention to the hydraulic integration sequence here.
Understood. We are ready for the transition to process A.
We have stabilization. Check alignment on Sector 4.
Sector 4 is green, sub-millimeter accurate.
The specialized robotic torque wrench applies precise, multi-stage tension to secure the pivot housing. This ensures the massive components move smoothly through their full range of motion, confirming all physical tolerances are correct before the introduction of high-pressure fluid.
Torque the manifold block to spec. Done.
Now check the seal integrity before process B.
We need to pay close attention to the heat-affected zone right here.
Understood. I'll focus the linear array on that segment.
Structural verification is complete. The unit is cleared for fluid integration, process B.
All restraints clear. Begin air cushion activation.
Roger that. Airlock 1 opening now.
We're below the 5 Pascal threshold.
Nearing absolute zero. Cycle looks good.
Pressure stabilizing at ambient. Seals look good?
Agreed. We can proceed with the dynamic setup.
The damping performance is optimal.
Confirms the viscosity calibration.
The rapid analysis checks for micro-wear particles, confirming that the fluid's anti-wear properties are
With the simulators retreated, the final sign-off for Process A is secured, allowing the critical deep-level fluid conditioning of Process B to commence. The heating elements reached the target temperature right on schedule.
Fluid stability is nominal. The purification is successful.
Monitored in real time, the crimson fluid maintains viscosity, verifying operational stability across the vast temperature envelope.
The Blackjack variable geometry wing sweep mechanism is now secured for hangar transfer. All Process A and B checks are nominal.
Aviation, adjusting alignment on the starboard side. We have green on the laser guidance.
Confirmed. Lowering slowly.
Run the sweep diagnostic. Are the position sensors synchronized?
Yes, all parameters are reading accurately. Flight control is online.
Process B engaged. Sweep commencing.
Aft sweep successful. Pressure nominal.
Hydraulic system engaged. Sweeping to 20 degrees.
Pressure holding steady. All green.
Check complete. Seals are dry.
Copy. Test successful.
Hydraulic system confirmed operational. Wing sweep engaged. Ready for mission, critical phase. The massive wing structure transitions rapidly, powered by the high-pressure crimson-red hydraulic fluid.
Flawless execution. The hydraulics held perfectly. Good flight.
The crimson fluid is perfectly clear, showing no contamination after operational use. This validates the rigorous